Yeah, I obviously been supported with our whānau, growing up with Te Reo, but also I think involvement with community, meeting other kohanga parents, getting involved with kohanga, with kura. I guess if you don't have a lot of fluent speakers in your extended whānau or immediate whānau, it's always good to kind of surround yourself with people who are on that same journey. Okay, and that's where I found I got a lot of support, was everyone had that same vision for our tamariki, and even to this day there's about 10 of us that all have our kids at the same kura who have all known each other since they were 2. So, and now they're coming up 10. So that's kind of where I found my support through the years.
It's a kaupapa whānau, isn't it?